Big breaking news coming in from Karnataka, where the BJP is all set to hold a core committee meet in Belagavi on December 4th, amid a lot of reports coming in of MLAs and legislators being unhappy with Chief Minister Yediyurappa and over the fact that there's been again a delay in cabinet expansion. There has been a lot of talk about whether there's going to be a change of leadership, and this is also because MLAs are against Chief Minister Yediyurappa's decision to give a cabinet berth to MLC Yogeshwar. He's said to have played a key role in managing the Congress-JDS rebel MLAs during their stay in Mumbai, which gave rise to the political turmoil in the state and eventually led to the collapse of the coalition government led by Kumaraswamy. And amid all of these questions over whether Yediyurappa is going to go ahead and give a berth to MLC Yogeshwar, which is being opposed by several MLAs, this core committee meet will be something that everyone's focusing on to get clarity on whether there is a rebellion brewing against Chief Minister Yediyurappa. You had the Chief Minister's political secretary Renukacharya also meeting with Nalin Kumar Katil, who is the BJP president in Karnataka, expressing displeasure and warning the BJP leader that there will be consequences if Yogeshwar is accommodated in the cabinet. Several MLAs have expressed a similar opinion, saying that they do not want this MLC to be a part of the cabinet. Remains to be seen whether Yediyurappa will still stick to his decision, because it could lead to massive problems for him in the state of Karnataka. But the BJP core committee meet set to take place in Belagavi on December 4th, and perhaps that will give us answers on whether Yediyurappa will be able to quell the dissent that's playing out in the BJP, or whether in fact he will have to go ahead and move aside, amid a lot of reports suggesting that there could be a change in leadership.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.